Greetings. I hope all is well. As I sit out here on the patio and just breathe in this beautiful air, look at the beautiful greenery, the beautiful blue sky, the beautiful buildings that's erected for us to live in, I simply think about how good God is to create such a perfect world, and how all the animals that was created doing what it's supposed to do besides the natural human being. We the only mammals that have freedom of choice. All the pets, all the animals, whether domestic or wild, they have the choice to just do what it's supposed to do. However, we have a choice to build, grow, think, act, make decisions in the best interest of our family, best interest of humanity, best interest of everybody. Make decisions for the pets we own, the wild animals, everything. Where we're gonna build, what forests we're gonna tear down, what wildlife we're gonna affect, what spill we're gonna make, where we're gonna make it. And it's just challenging because I choose to be the positive difference in people's life. I choose to bring value. I choose to look for how people are more alike than how we're different. I choose to concentrate on the parts that we are alike. And I'm asking you, what are you choosing? What decision are you making? Are you making this decision that causes hectic, chaos, talk rhetoric, look for the differences in us, focus on the differences in us, and strive to be different? Or are you looking at what make the same sky that's over our head blue, make the grass on our feet green, the dirt on our feet brown, red, or indifferent, whatever color it may be? The God, the spiritual leader that create us for a purpose, a divine purpose, a mission. There's a reason for us, and it's for us to work together for the good of the one that sent us. So I'm asking you on this beautiful Saturday morning, as I smell, sniffing this pollen, as I look at these beautiful colors, as I see these nice trees, flags flying, all the different furniture on these different patios, the same color throughout this apartment complex. Are you focusing on what's alike and trying to find out the good in others? Or are you focusing on what's different and trying to see how bad that person is? I challenge you now to do something different. Thank you for thinking about me. Thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing. I hope this helped you to look at things from a different perspective today on this beautiful Saturday morning. All right, take care.